In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whisk AI 4. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page or a single image to a polished AI-generated visual you can download and use. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Whisk AI site. If you see a prompt to sign in, use your Google account to get access to the creation tools and to make sure your work can be saved for later. On the home screen, click Start Creating, or choose the Upload option if it's visible to you. Both lead to the same creative workspace, so pick whichever appears first. You'll be brought into a clean canvas where you can either provide an image or write a text prompt. Decide whether you want to upload an image or begin from text. Uploading an image is great when you have a reference, a product shot, or a sketch you want to stylize. Starting with a text prompt is best when you're imagining something from scratch and want the AI to produce it entirely. If you're writing a prompt, be clear about subject, style, and mood. You can start simple with ideas like anime style portrait, cinematic movie poster, 3D cartoon character, or watercolor painting. Feel free to add concise descriptors such as colors, setting, or emotion to help guide the output without overloading the sentence. Next, choose a preferred art style or visual theme from the available options. Think of this as the overall look and feel, whether you want something painterly, graphic, realistic, or whimsical. This selection influences the palette, textures, and vibe of the final image. Now fine-tune the available settings. Image style helps you lean more realistic or more illustrative. Lighting affects the mood, soft and diffused for a gentle look, dramatic and high contrast for bold scenes. Creativity level controls how closely the result follows your input versus taking artistic leaps. Keep it lower for faithful outputs and higher for more surprising results. Composition guides framing and balance, which is helpful for centered portraits, product shots, or dynamic scenes. When you're ready, click Generate. Whisk AI will process your request. This usually takes a short moment. You'll see a preview of the results as soon as they're ready. Review the AI-generated images carefully. Check whether the subject, style, and mood match what you had in mind, and look for details like lighting consistency and overall clarity. Pick the version that best fits your goal. Finally, download or save your favorite image directly from the interface. That's it. You've created with Whisk AI from start to finish.